Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Auriol radio controlled weather station. 3 years warranty from Lidl. Ventilation indicator, room climate assessment, touchscreen operation, 50 meters between the transmission of the unit and the receiver, included batteries, some pictures here. We're going to find out all about that. Let's see the specs here. You can see all about it. Inside we got the 3 batteries of 3 AAA batteries, another 2 3A batteries. Of course, we've got the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice. Stay with me and you're going to find out all about this product. Some mounting screws that will help you if you want to mount it to the wall. The outside receiver and the main unit. We have some protection into the screen. You can take that out. You can see how it looks. We have to wet, comfort, dry to dry. Channel, set, memory, wet, more wet, no change, more dry. Well, I think it's time for installing the batteries. Here you can install 3 batteries. Convenient if you want to put it on your table, just like that, or of course if you want to mount it here into the wall. Well, let's install the batteries for the outside temperature. And here we've got the temperature and the humidity. Of course, this is for outside. Now if you push this button, the RCC set, for 3 seconds, and here it is, 24 hours, you can change that, 12 or 24 hours. The Fahrenheit and Celsius, you can change that. The zone, you need to find out in which zone you are. I will put it in zone 01, but for the time and 10. Set 24 hours Celsius, the zone is 01 and 23.8, 65 it is the humidity, and the same of course because the unit is inside and not outside. This button, it can show you the max and the minimum temperature that has been recorded to the unit. And here we have some indicators: more wet, no change, and more dry. You can see we are on no change. We have some graphics here, are very nice. Same here, to wet, comfort, dry, and to dry. And of course the light indicator if you want to light up the screen. Well guys, I think it's a pretty decent radio controlled weather station. The touch button that it has, the screen is very convenient for the settings. The graphics is very nice. Of course it costs only 12 euros. Why not? If you need something like that in your home, it's only 12 euros. Why not just buy it? And here it's more convenient if you stand the outside receiver into your table, wherever is suitable for you, or you can mount it to the wall. Well guys, that was all about this radio controlled weather station. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.